Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to delete your Facebook page. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Facebook, of course. Then I'm going to simply go ahead and switch to my page real quick. So once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the top left triple lines icon and scroll all the way down until you find settings and privacy, and then simply go ahead and click on settings. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and look for access and controls down over here, right over here, and click on that. This is where you can simply click on delete page, continue, enter the option why you're deleting the page, of course, then click on continue and enter your password and your Facebook page will be deleted. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.